Would you like to earn money while you sleep? I'm talking 24/7, 365, where you look down at notifications on your phone and see hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just rolling into your bank account. Sounds too good to be true, right? I've been earning passive income personally for the last 8 years, so I can say without a doubt, passive income is a real thing. And in the rest of today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you the 5 best ways to earn passive income today. But first, let me teach you about passive income and why it's so important. Warren Buffett said, if you cannot find a way to make money while you sleep, you're going to work until you die. That really resonated with me and really woke me up. So what that means is that the name of the game is passive income if you truly want to have a life of abundance. And in a nutshell, passive income means putting money to work for you so that you can stop trading your time for money. What I learned from some of the richest people in the world, like Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, is that the rich people are never working for money. They have their money constantly working for them. So what is passive income then? And how can you start earning it today? Passive income is income that is earned without the need for active involvement or participation in an activity that generates the income. Passive income can provide a steady flow of cash without the need for constant work. This allows you to have more financial freedom and flexibility. Now, why I really like the idea of passive income is because I truly want to be able to do what I want whenever I want. However, passive income is not always passive. And what I don't think people understand truly about passive income is that initially it takes a lot of work. In order to wake up one day and lounge on the beach drinking a pina colada and just have money pouring into your bank account, you're gonna need to set up systems and have payment methods. And also you may even need a little bit of cash to get started. But there are several ways that you can earn passive income. And the first and one of my favorite ways is through selling an online class or creating a digital product. 8 years ago is when I started creating my first online course. This is because I had a degree in education and I was already teaching in the classroom and coaching high school basketball. From there, I just took the skill sets that I had and began teaching online. Now, creating online courses is where you create and sell pre-recorded videos and or audios and upload them to platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, or your own platform or website. Now, when I first got started, I used udemy.com and Skillshare. This is because I had no followers, not a lot of experience, no email list. I was really starting from scratch. And what's great about Udemy and Skillshare is that these platforms allow you to upload your class, set a price, and they will do a majority of the marketing for you, but they do earn a percentage of each sale every time the course is purchased. But I remember my very first sale, it was for $1, and I was absolutely thrilled that somebody paid to learn from my teaching. And the best part was I didn't have to sell them. They just took their money, bought the class, and enrolled. It was a totally automated process. And from there, I was absolutely hooked. My very first month though, I only made $39, but I could see that there was a process to this. And if I just kept creating more classes and giving more value to my students, that I could earn even more passive income. And so this is exactly what I did for the next 4 years. Today, I have over 900,000 Udemy students in over 50 classes, and I am earning thousands of dollars every month simply hosting my classes with Udemy. Now, another cool thing that you can do is create your own membership site. This is where an individual will pay you a monthly or annual fee for access to your class. This can include pre-recorded videos and audio lessons, as well as Q&A sessions and community discussion. On my website, joeparys.com, thousands of people have enrolled in my newest course teaching about cryptocurrency. This is because I create a lot of free YouTube videos teaching and educating people about the current crypto market. Now, in the course, there's over 100 lessons and over 20 hours of video content, making it incredibly valuable for those who really want to learn on one subject. And instead of paying tens of thousands of dollars to enroll in universities, more and more people are turning to the internet to learn in real time from experts who are doing the exact thing that they want to learn. You see, I started investing in crypto over 5 years ago, and I made all the mistakes. And today, I have earned over 7 figures investing in cryptocurrency, and that provides a real value for those who want to learn. So while I still do have my Udemy classes, this crypto class cannot be found anywhere else besides my own members website. And this class alone has earned me millions of dollars. And the amazing thing about creating and selling online classes, like I've said, is that it is pure passive income. I will wake up each and every day and have multiple students enrolling, and not only are they getting an incredible deal, but it allows me to continue to make these videos and pay my team to help educate you for free on YouTube. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for all of your support. Now, another way that you can earn passive income with online classes is with affiliate marketing. This is where you can promote other people's online courses as an affiliate, earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. And you can also turn lessons into unique selling ebooks, and then you can create and sell those ebooks on Amazon, earning even more passive income. Now, there are so many other ways that you can earn passive income creating online classes, but this is one of my favorites, not only because it's earned me millions of dollars and I've done it and I've become an expert, but also because it truly can help others on the other side. I genuinely want to help as many people as possible. That's what gives me purpose, and it feels so good to read each and every one of your comments of people who are succeeding because of these videos. But I'm not gonna lie, creating and selling online courses and making videos like this is a lot of work, and it does require a significant amount of investment in terms of time and resources. And also, creating an online course that resonates with your target audience and generates enough sales to be profitable can be challenging. But if you do want to learn exactly step by step how to build an online course from scratch and earn thousands of dollars a day in passive income, click the links down below and join me, because I have free training as well as a course that I think can be very helpful for you. Now, the second way that you can earn truly passive income is with cryptocurrencies or stock dividend. Now, I absolutely love cryptocurrency, and I really truly don't invest much into stock, but here are 3 ways that you can earn passive income with crypto. First is called staking. Now, not every cryptocurrency allows you to stake, but some cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Near Protocol, and Cardano allow their holders to earn a percentage by staking their coins in their wallet or with a validator. Let me share with you an example of how I am currently earning passive income with one crypto coin. Last year, I invested in a cryptocurrency called Near Protocol. I then was able to take my Near Protocol tokens and stake it with one of their validators. Ever since I did that, I've been earning a couple Near every single day, and over the last 2 months, I've earned over $500 in passive income. And this is great because I can now take my Near tokens and either reinvest those or sell them and buy other cryptocurrencies, or just cash out and go on vacation. And I've been doing this with many other cryptocurrency coins as well. Now, this staking process can be complex, and this is why my online class is very valuable for those who want to learn how to make money with crypto. The second way is through lending or borrowing. Decentralized platforms like Aave, or even centralized ones like Crypto.com, allow users to lend their cryptocurrency to other users in exchange for interest. But please understand that this can be very risky. There's a saying in cryptocurrency, not your keys, not your coins. So if you do decide to lend away your crypto, please understand you are taking a significant risk. Now, the third way is with masternodes and validators. Some cryptocurrencies such as Dash have a system of masternodes that perform imperfect functions for the network. And with validators, these validate transactions, allowing blockchains to run smoothly. And as a bonus way that you can earn passive income with crypto is through yield farming. Yield farming is a process of lending out your assets into a liquidity pool, and the way that you earn passive income providing liquidity is that you will earn fees from those who swap from one token to another. Now, again, there are risks associated with this, and it may not actually be worth providing liquidity depending upon how you're doing so. It's important to note that cryptocurrency is a highly speculative and volatile market, so make sure to do your own research and understand the potential risks and reward before making any investment or business venture. Now, another way that you can earn passive income is with stocks. Now, you will need to invest in dividend-paying stocks, but dividend-paying stocks of companies will give you and pay you a portion of their profits in the form of dividends on a regular basis. These dividends provide a steady stream of passive income for the stockholder. An example would be Coca-Cola. Now, while you will have to have a significant amount of share in Coca-Cola to see some decent passive income, needless to say, there are lots of companies that do pay out a percentage, and it's basically free money. Now, another way to invest is with index funds, which are a type of mutual fund or exchange traded fund ETF that aims to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Since index funds are passively managed, they typically have lower fees than actively managed funds and can provide a steady return over time. But just as with crypto, stocks can be very volatile and risky as well, so please understand there are always risks with this. Which now leads us to our third way to earn passive income, and that is with social media. One of my favorite ways to earn passive income is right here on YouTube. The way that you can earn passive income with YouTube is if you're able to get into the partner program by having enough subscribers, watch time, and other metrics. This is how you can earn and set money just by creating videos. In fact, I made over 6 figures in the last 14 months on my cryptocurrency YouTube channel just through ad revenue. So if you want to learn exactly how to earn passive income with YouTube, click the links down below, and I have some free training and special gifts for you as well. And I'm even thinking about creating a YouTube class. Let me know if you'd like to see that. Now, there are several other ways that you can earn money through being a social media influencer. First is something called influencer marketing. This is where if you have a large following on social media, you can work with brands to promote their products or services to your page. This can include sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and product reviews. Again, once your video is up, you can get paid over and over an affiliate commission. The second way is by selling your own products. You can use social media to promote and sell your own products and services, such as handmade crafts, digital products, or consulting services, and even online classes. The third is by affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other products and services and earn a commission for each sale that is made through your own unique affiliate link. And fourth is simply just creating content. As I shared earlier, social media platforms like YouTube will pay you AdSense money, but you can also earn through TikTok, Instagram, and Twitch. And the fifth and final way that you can earn passive income with your social media is with virtual events. This is where you use your social media to promote and sell tickets to a virtual event such as a webinar, workshop, or online course. And to me, if you can truly build a real following on social media, you can earn millions of dollars. Again, I know this because I've done it with my online classes, and I've had multiple sponsorships that I am incredibly grateful for. And the amount of money that you can earn would blow your mind. So if you would like to learn all about this, just click the links down below and check out the free stuff on my website. Now, the fourth way that you can earn passive income is with real estate. I personally just bought a house, and while I have no intention of actually renting it, here are some awesome ways that I know people are buying properties and earning passive income. First, they are renting out the property. This is where you purchase the property, such as a single family home or even an apartment complex, and rent it out to tenants. The rental income can provide a steady stream of passive income, and the property can also appreciate in value over time. So not only are you earning passive income every single month from tenants paying you, but if that property continues to appreciate or the land underneath it does, this is where you can truly build your net worth. The second way is through real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are a type of investment vehicle that allow individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate properties, such as office buildings, shopping centers, or apartment complexes. And you're able to do this without owning the properties themselves. The third way is with real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a process of pooling capital from multiple investors to purchase and manage real estate properties. It allows investors to earn a share of retail income and application of the property, as well as appreciation of the property without having to actively manage it. And you can also earn passive income by renting out storage units and parking spaces. Now, while real estate can certainly be high risk and high reward, there are multiple different ways that I just shared with you that you can earn some incredible passive income and put your money to work. Well, the fifth and final way is to create your own business. Most of the time, you need to have money in order to earn passive income. With stocks, crypto, real estate, even creating your own digital product, you do need to have a little bit of capital to invest with. So if you don't have a lot of cash to get started, how do you actually start earning passive income? Now, when I graduated college, I had no business experience. I never went to business class, and I had no mentorship. No one in my entire family was an entrepreneur. But now that I've created my own business, I can earn passive income. I also get to keep more of my money. So one of the quickest ways for you to start earning passive income is to first start your business. And I would suggest going into business for yourself and learning the process and going at your own pace. Most people flex and talk about how they've earned millions of dollars, and while it seems that they're doing it so easily, they've done so over years and years and years, as well as building skill sets. For me to create these videos and understand exactly how to make money with crypto, online courses, and social media has taken me years of development. So if you really want to take things to the next level in your life and earn some sweet passive income, focus on skills, especially high income skills. So if you want to learn even more about these high income skills, what they are, and how they can help you earn passive income and live a life of true freedom, make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to be making a lot of videos on this here on this channel. So there you have it. Those are your 5 ways to earn passive income. If you have enjoyed this video, I think you're absolutely going to love the next video because I've handpicked it just for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.